Hi, I'm Shari Calicker and I'm a family medicine physician. Building trust with my patients is my #1 goal because if your patients don't trust you, they're not going to listen, they're not going to do the things that they need to do. So I really find it important, especially at that first visit, to build rapport, kind of learn about them and their families and really what their goals for their health are, and then try to work around that and combine it with the goals that I have for their health. So I definitely think that, building that trust with your patients is super paramount. For my potential patients, I am a very relatable person. I don't want you to feel scared or nervous about coming to the doctor. It's just like we're just friends talking and just making sure that that your health is okay. Like I said, I want to know about your family, about anything that's going to prevent you from being your best you, so we can talk about that. Any mental health, like I'm not afraid of mental health. I actually love mental health. So, any anxiety, depression, or anything like that, I'm completely open to talk about that. But that's the biggest thing I want you to know is don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to come to the doctor. The first thing that patients say to me on my first encounters with them is like, I'm just so grateful to have a doctor that listens to me. And I think that it's so important to listen because that's how you really figure out what the problems are. If you're not listening to your patient and you're not addressing what they are there for, then it kind of defeats the purpose of them coming. So really just taking that time, especially in that first visit, to listen is really important because, again, it sets the rapport and it really helps you to identify what are the big factors that we're looking to really work on here. What does my patient want to do? Not really what do I want them to do, because it's not about me, it's a partnership. I love going to restaurants. I have a husband, Donovan, so we go out all the time to restaurants, breweries and things like that, hang out with our dog Marley, going to the beach. I love going to concerts and festivals. I love traveling. People say I'm never here. So I love traveling. So that's kind of what I do, I think, for the most part, and reading. I'm getting back to my non-academic reading, which is really exciting.